People online and even articles say AI will replace creators. I believed it. So I wanted to see if I could automate this entire video with AI. At the start, I thought AI could do it all. But something unexpected happened. I started with a simple idea, but the result didn't feel simple. So once I had the idea, I handed everything over to ChatGPT. I didn't just ask for a script. I told it to design the entire blueprint of the video. The mood, the tone, the visuals, the music, even the sound effects. Once the instructions were clear, I moved on to creating the voice lines. I had several options: 11 Labs, Artlist, Synthesia, even AI Studio. Most of them come with limits before they stop being free, except one: AI Studio. I selected my text-to-speech tool, pasted in the script, and started generating the audio, line by line.
File by file, turning written words into something alive.
You do need to select the right voice, though. The blueprint already suggested the music, so the task wasn't creating, it was listening and simply selecting the right tracks and picking them from the right place. We let AI choose the visuals. For every scene, AI created the exact description. Sometimes those descriptions guided the search for the perfect stock footage. Other times, they were used to generate visuals with AI. I had several tools to choose from, but I chose the best free option, Gemini AI. But here's the strange part. First, the voice lines dropped into place. Then, the music layered itself underneath. The main visuals followed, not as filler, but as part of the story. Overlays and graphics added emphasis. Titles appeared, clean, minimal, readable. Subtle sound effects came next. Transitions formed. Color correction tied everything together. Every element found its place, faster than expected, assembled into a complete video. But here's the real question. Do you really believe what people say? When I started this, I thought AI would create this video, but it didn't. It followed my instructions. It generated my files. It didn't feel the heartbeat of the edit. It didn't know that a split-second pause would make you lean in. It didn't know when a scene felt right or when it felt cold. AI provided me with options, but the choices, those were mine. I see people online who are terrified that AI will replace us, but after sitting through this process, I see it differently. If I had used AI to do everything, I would have ended up with something that had no soul. Technically perfect, maybe, but empty. I've realized that AI isn't a replacement button. It's a power tool. A power saw doesn't replace the carpenter. It just helps him build the chair faster. A camera doesn't replace the photographer. It just captures what they see. For me, AI is here to take away the boring, repetitive parts of my day. It handles the endless searching and the technical rendering so that my ideas finally have the space to breathe. Creativity isn't just a final file on a computer. It's a human spark. It's messy, it's emotional, and it's deeply personal to me. So I'm gonna keep using these tools, but I am never handing over the steering wheel because the future of creation isn't artificial. It's human, just faster.